the person wey cause this country, e no go better for you o. You no go see God at all if you no revise the course. Na course be this now. We dey under spell now. Nobody get sense again for this country. Memory don fail for everybody. We don forget now wetin this party they call APC dey do us. Even rat don get sense pass us now. Say no be rat enter Aso Rock go pursue Buhari. Rat o, animal enter, he is provoked with this government. He go there to pursue Buhari, nobody fit support am. He no fit make am. Na rat come get sense pass us. Country wey go carry vulcanizer, carry mechanic to become bishop, to fake bishop, that Christians are behind them. Na the same people who still dey warm up. Look at the one I saw yesterday. Tinubu now go gather lepers, all those lepers for Benin Road, go gather them, give them 2,000 and widows. Say people are supporting women, just hey, they just dey happy. Well, see, make I no invoke thunder. Make I no invoke thunder. This country, na me and you dey under this APC government. Snake go swallow money. If Tinubu come, no be elephant. Elephant go swallow money. If elephant swallow money, anything go remain again. Make una think am now. Think am now, Nigeria. Make una think am. But my happiness be this, so some of them no go see this election day. All those year men where they go up and down, they palabrate up and down, say they won't become president. Some of them no go see election day, unless no be me talk am o. They no go see election day. Wetin be this? See the way God just dey punish all these lecturers wey rig election for these nonsense people. Now make dem pay you salary now. Na the children own dey pay me o. Una own no pay me at all. Now na rig election for them to come and deal with una. I give them kodo for that one. Evil that men do. Say he live with them now, no be live after them o. He live inside them. No problem. I go talk o, but my time never reach. E never reach o. E never reach because when they begin dey bury them one after another, others go run, they no go come back. Na so e go be o.